Victorian doorbell connection. It's just being run from the front door. You won't see many of those.
More?
Yeah, one more would be great, yeah, thanks. And we'll get into action again. Okay, a little bit more. A little bit more, I'll just get that. No, that's it. Okay, that's the little pivot sort of works on. This on? Oh, thanks. There's a mechanism where it comes from in the front door.
Yeah.
Pivots there. Here. No problem. I wonder why there's a mechanism for it. And this is the little pivot. I'm not sure if that other one worked. It goes up into the roof, it goes down to the back. I'll just finish it off where I started. So anyway, I'll just go down here. About 1870s, 1880s house in inner Melbourne. Let's see. Doorbell there. They used to have them for servants as well.